Hey everyone, I'm Chef Jade, and today I'm going to talk about how to hot pot the right way. I've already explained the origins of hot pot in another video, so now let's focus on how to cook it. The idea of having to cook your own food at a restaurant, especially when there are so many ingredients and methods at play, can seem overwhelming. That's why I've assembled a little hot pot how-to. The first thing we need to do is to select the broth, which is the main ingredient. Your server can be a big help when it comes to choosing the right broth for you. In fact, a good server will be able to guide you through every step of the process. If, like me, you want to try all the things, you can usually opt for a divided pot containing smaller portions of several different broths. If you're vegetarian or vegan, make sure the restaurant offers meatless broths, as this is not always a guarantee. Then we need to pick our proteins and vegetables. Some restaurants offer an a la carte menu, where you check off each of the items you want and pay for them individually. Many hot pot places offer an all-you-can-eat option, where you pay a flat fee and order to your heart's content. If it's your first time going out for hot pot, I definitely recommend the all-you-can-eat option, as it gives you more freedom to mix and match and discover your favorite hot pot ingredients. Now, for the real fun, cooking your vegetables and proteins. Here's a quick tip. Don't cook anything until the broth has come to a boil, which can take several minutes. Recommended cooking times are based on the maximum temperature, so a little patience is key if you don't want undercooked meats or vegetables. Aside from that, different ingredients have different cooking times. Thicker cuts of meat will take longer than thinner ones, and vegetables will almost always take longer than meat. That's why I recommend throwing your vegetables in first, before adding meats and other proteins. Finally, one of my favorite parts of the hot pot experience is dipping the cooked ingredients in the delicious array of sauces. The selection varies at each restaurant, but might include oyster sauce, miso sauce, or a spicy chili sauce. Feel free to mix and match your sauces, it's all part of the fun. I like to set my sauces out and do all my mixing while waiting for the broth to boil. These are the techniques that have worked for me. Your style might be completely different and better. The important thing is to have fun with it. Don't worry if each bite doesn't turn out absolutely perfect. I'm a trained chef who's been cooking professionally for years, and I've never made a dish that I would consider perfect. I'm my own harshest critic. The key to hot pot is experimenting with new flavors and enjoying yourself along the way. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out more, visit cookingwithjade.com. See you next time.